Brilliant. So 2 more awards, Gareth. Congratulations on those, the Players Player and the FAW Player of the Year. Just going on to the Players Player Award, obviously your teammates have selected you as the Players Player of the Year, but how important is it to have your teammates around you?
Yeah, no, of course, as I said, if it wasn't for all my teammates, I wouldn't be picking up this award, so obviously it's a massive thanks to them, and obviously they're the ones who voted for me as well.
And who did you vote for? Are you willing to tell us?
No, I voted for Ashley Williams, so yeah, I thought he'd been a rock in defence for the whole campaign, and yeah, for me, obviously, I thought he was deserved of the award. And
are you looking forward to the weekend's games now to try and get this campaign, you know, what we need to achieve for that? Are you looking to get it done?
Yeah, definitely. I think we're only focused on Bosnia. We're not focused on the Andorra game after yet. So yeah, we want to get the job done as soon as possible, and yeah, hopefully we can get it done on Saturday.
So do you feel that Saturday is the day that Welsh football will achieve its history in Bosnia?
I'm hoping so. Yeah. So yeah, we'll prepare right all week, and we'll be ready for kick-off, and hoping to get the job done.
Well, congratulations once again on your awards, and thanks for joining us.
Thank you.